Hey guys, Jerry here. Before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like, smash that subscribe button. It's going to be down at the bottom of the screen. Helps people find the channel, helps people find all the content. It helps it spread out to the rest of the community. Let's get this thing going. What's up everybody, Jerry with Dipping Up Trading back for another video. We're going to be talking about BBIG or Vinco Ventures Incorporated. Now there was some news that dropped about their company today. I think it came out like at the end of the day today. Gotcha. Okay, so yeah, so basically it's just there's plenty of developments that are coming. This is according to Investor Place. Now it's basically in relation to the shareholder vote, which is not going to be conducted until October 14th. And then they also announced that one of its subsidiaries will be launching the first NFT movie soundtrack, which is a feat that will include Anderson, I think it's Pac, if I'm saying that, CeeLo Green, and Coda the Friend. Now, despite the fact that BBIG specifically on the day was down 7%, finished the intraday at $6.77, but then had a little bit of a climb in the after hours, finished the after hours at $6.87. So overall, I mean, it was kind of just, I mean, in my opinion, it was kind of just an ant day. I mean, we had a sell-off like right at the beginning. Looks like it was just a ladder attack all the way down, and then it just bounced off of this ascending level of support that it's been, following over the last, I mean, this is, let's see, that's the hourly. Yeah, I mean, so we just bounced pretty much a little bit above the $6 mark. So we bounced, looks like at $5.93, and then kind of ran from there. So it would be good to see us continue to follow this. Now, again, nothing's really guaranteed. There is a little bit of a pattern here where it finished in the intraday. We've just been kind of setting, new higher lows, which is good to see. I don't specifically think that, just based on what I'm seeing with the technicals, I mean, the MACD is currently not, it's currently converged. We haven't diverged across that signal line yet. So we're still, the momentum is not really there. And then the RSI is kind of just hovering in the middle, trying to figure out really what it wants to do. I would say if we do get some sort of action tomorrow, hopefully we can continue to follow this ascending level of support and just follow this trend where we're just creating, higher lows. I mean, the next level of resistance, I believe, the last time I did a video was around $7.77. Now there is going to be some psychological resistance around $7, and then also $7.50, which is the case for most companies, specifically when you're looking to trade, especially the ones that are heavily shorted. Those are key psychological levels of resistance. But ideally, I'd like to see the buyer step in and just continue to let this thing run, because of how long it's been, dipping. So moving over to Ortex, I do want to check out the Ortex status. So the short interest today, so short interest change was up 5.75%. We had 2.9 million return versus 4.44 million borrowed against, for a net borrow change of just under 1.5 million shares borrowed against BBIG today. The current short interest, or the free float as of today, was 25.28%. Cost to borrow minimum annual percent was just over 8.25%. The cost of borrow max is just under 47%, and the cost of borrow average is around 32.65%. Utilization is still up there. Over the last 7 days, we had a little bit of a dip, about 1.5% or so. So it's hovering around 92.67%. Here, let me do this. Let me so you guys can see what I'm seeing. So up here is where I'm at. This top right corner. Cost to borrow is down from what it was previous as of 7 days ago. The days to cover is, let's see, basically half a day essentially. So down 12% there. Shares on loan is down 6%. Free float on loan is down 6%. And then the estimated short interest of the free float is down 3.2%. Now the exchange reported short interest is up 34.87% there. So, I mean, just based on what I'm seeing, I mean, it just looks like there were some shares that were potentially borrowed that were returned, and then there were more that were taken out today versus what was returned. So, based on those cost to borrow averages and those percentages, it's relatively high. I mean, the percent of the short interest of the free float has continuously gone up. I mean, just since January, it's gone up 21% over the last 8 months. And then the share short has gone up millions, again, over the last 8 months. So it's definitely something to continue to hold. I don't think BBIG is done in the least bit. I do think there's more on the table for this specifically. Pretty much with any heavily shorted stock, I believe that there's going to be more on the table. So, anywho, that'll pretty much wrap it up for this one. Don't really have anything substantial to cover here. I mean, I kind of gave you guys levels of resistance and support. Hopefully we can continue, like I said, to follow this. We can keep that 15 MA over the VWAP and the 200 EMA. That would be fantastic. And hopefully we can get some divergence across that signal line on the MACD, so we can get, a pretty good momentum swing, get the buyer stepping back in. So other than that, you guys know what to do. Hit that like, smash the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one.